Good morning, everyone. My name is Steven. I'm from JHS.
My name is Shanam.
And today we are going to be cooking some healthy food, which is
We have two foods and one drink. So first we're going to make chicken sandwich, egg sandwich, and one drink, which is orange juice.
yes. For the drink, we're going to be using Nutrisari. But before we make the drink, let's get started by preparing the sandwich. So the ingredients that we have bread, chicken, lettuce, tomato, and some oil and eggs. For the things we're gonna be cooking with, we're gonna be
We
using a pan.
have a spatula, pan, a portable stove, straightener,
Yeah.
knife, tongs, and a lot of plates and spoons and forks, and a chopping board.
And don't forget the butter. So let's get started by preparing the bread. So the first thing we're gonna do, Chanel here is gonna take a piece of bread. She's gonna prepare on the plate, and then we're gonna,
And then we're going to grill the bread using butter.
Meanwhile, we're gonna take some butter. We're gonna open it up. You can really feel the heat in here. Alright, here's our butter. It's very yellow and probably bitter.
And we decided to use bluegan because bluegan is kind of salty. So if you put it on your bread, it'll be more like salty.
Yeah, more saltier, more savory, more delicious for everyone to eat. Okay, so this box right here, as you can see, inside there's lettuce and tomatoes, freshly washed from yesterday. And now, what we're gonna do, since the lettuce it's already been prepared, all we need to do is cut the tomatoes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a tomato and I'm gonna grab this knife. It's very sharp. And what we're gonna do here, if you guys can see, I have this wooden cutting board here. We're gonna place a tomato, and now we are going to gently cut the knife. And please do be careful when holding a knife. Ask for assistance. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the tomato into even slices. Not too thick, but also not too thin. So it's all gonna be even after we're gonna prepare the sandwich.
While he is cutting the vegetables, we're going to grill the bread using butter. So first we're going to take how much any butter you like, just according to your likings, and heat it up on a pan.
Very smoky. I think for this part of the tomato, since it's kind of dark and there's not really much inside left, we're just gonna place this back right here. And as you can see, here is the result of the tomato, evenly sliced. And now, what Chanel's gonna do, she's gonna gently place the bread into the pan. While the butter's still melting and the pan's still heating up, the bread is gonna slowly cook and it's slowly gonna turn golden brown. Alright, so after we're done finishing cooking the bread, this is the result of what the bread looks like. Chanel cooked for off camera.
Okay, now we're going to crack some eggs.
Yes, we're gonna try to cook 2 eggs at the same time.
Do you always wash your hands before you How are they gonna wash them?
Now after we crack some eggs, we're going to wait for it to...
And the orange one is that the omega is slightly more orange than the yellow. And I've heard from my mom that the omega is way more healthier to eat. After cooking the eggs, this is what the result looks like. It's perfectly golden brown.
Now we are going to cook the fried chicken.
Yes.
The fried chicken has been marinated and breadcrumbs at his house. So now we're just gonna fry it.
So, and before we cook the chicken, we're gonna put some oil, so that way the chicken can fry easily.
We're gonna put in the chicken.
This is what the chicken looks like when it's frozen. And now we're gonna slowly put it in. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna put 2 pieces. Okay, well, while it's frying, so after we're done cooking the chicken, it's currently straining right now. So now what we're gonna do is, after the straining, Chanel is gonna cut the chicken. So what we're gonna do is grab the chicken, and then we're gonna take the knife and slowly cut it to see if it's cooked through. Multiple people, we're only gonna be using one bread for this one.
One bread for each sandwich.
Yes. So firstly, we're gonna take the slice of bread, and then we're gonna take this lettuce, place it down just like this, and I think what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put some tomatoes. I think at least one piece should be enough.
One pieces for each sandwich.
And then after that, we're gonna take one of our eggs. We're gonna take the orange omega egg. Oh. Alright.
We're gonna use this one since
this one it's busted.
Mid raw. This one looks
more cooked through. So now we're gonna place our egg just like that.
Grab some chicken.
Okay.
One piece of chicken.
I think 2 pieces. Okay.
We're gonna use one chicken each.
And then after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold the bread.
We're gonna fold the bread.
The sandwich. Yes. It's not folded because it's kind of hard to fold, but this is basically what the result looked like. But we're not done yet, because after we're finished making the sandwich, we're gonna move on.
Break some drinks.
Yes. First we have this powdered drink, Montessori, sweet orange.
We also have Sprite.
And some ice.
And also some chia seeds.
Yes. And
so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some Montessori. One packet.
One packet of Montessori. I don't know, it depends how much bread we're going to use.
Probably like half. We're going to use half of the packet of Montessori so it won't be too sweet.
Yes. Later, she's going to put like half of the Montessori powder. And after that, we're going to take the Sprite bottle. After we pour the Montessori powder, we're going to take the Sprite that burst out of my hand. We're going to pour it into the cup for how much?
Probably like...
Pour down the Sprite. What we're going to do now is... Yes.
We're going to add some chia seeds to be more healthy.
Yes. The chia seeds have been poured by water so it can expand more. So it can have this crunchy taste instead of dry.
We're gonna add ice after so it won't be too sweet.
Yes.
Because ice melts into water.
Yeah. This is science, right? Alright. While she's pouring,
Let's add more Sprite.
yes, we're gonna add more Sprite to make it full.
Okay, after that we're gonna mix it so it mix together.
Yes. Process, baby. And there you have it, guys. This is our chicken egg salad sandwich and our Montessori. Yes. We really find this healthy.
Because there's a lot of first of all, for the sandwich, the bread acts as the carbohydrate
To give us energy.
And then there's vegetables, tomato and lettuce, and eggs and chicken gives us protein to build up our muscles.
Lettuce is low calorie and give us vitamin E. And tomatoes, it can also help us with our skin and give us vitamin C.
In your eyes.
Yes. For cooking. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye everyone.